Hello everyone and welcome to this week's short video tutorial. This will be a continuation of section 3. This will be the second example in section 3 in chapter 6, which deals with the topic of blocking. And in section 3, setting up roadblocks will be the major theme. A quick analysis of the position would show that red would have a full guard, one pawn, and a combination of one chariot, one cannon, and one horse that were already attacking. Black would also have one chariot, one cannon, one horse, an extra pawn, and also a full guard. But at this point in time, red was threatening to checkmate with h6 plus 7 for the elbow horse checkmate. That is why the chariot is more or less pinned to this rank. He must prevent this from happening. And one way to protect himself would be to play r2 equals to 4 later on to threaten the horse if need be. So how should red use the tactic of roadblock to further his advantage? Now, before I continue, this is based on the free ebook that's available on the World Strategy Federation website. The first move would be to play c5 minus 2, thus allowing this would be a clearance, a tactic to allow the horse to attack in this manner. Now, black must defend against the pale corner horse. If not, he can only defend in this manner. If not, let's say for example, play any other move, red will checkmate in this manner. A check, another check, and a checkmate. And with c1 minus 6, this intersection and this intersections would now be both protected. This intersection, sorry, would now be both protected. Red would then continue with p7 plus 1. There are a few reasons for doing so. If black did not capture, the horse could advance and allow red to go for the elbow horse checkmate anyway. And black would be forced to capture the chariot, the red horse, and red would gain a winning position because of the material superiority. Now, would it be a good idea for red to play h6 minus 4 at this point? According to the book, it was not a good idea, but the reason for this is because black would be able, before I continue, by retreating the horse, red would be prepared to go h4 plus 2 followed by h2 plus 3 for the elbow horse checkmate on this flank. But black could defend with r2 plus 3, threatening the horse and covering this intersection in the nick of time. Again, this intersection is protected by the cannon, so black can easily resolve red's attack. Now in the book, p7 plus 1 was given, and black countered with e7 plus 9. Now this would be this move is a little bit controversial. The main idea would be to block the red horse when it plays h6 minus 4. However, computer analysis would suggest that p3 plus 1 would have been a better move. So let's say red continued to play r6 minus 4, trying to go for the elbow horse on this flank. Black would simply counter with c2 plus r2 plus 4. Now, let's say red continue to attack. Black would have this very nice move of h2 minus 4 for a check to capture the cannon. Another check, and black would retreat his cannon in the nick of time to defend against the elbow horse attack. Red cannot attack with h2 plus 4 now because the red cannon had already been captured, and black could simply play a5 plus 6. So that is why the suggested move of e7 plus 9 was a little bit controversial. So let's say red continued to his attack, black tries to block, but by doing so, black's left flank will be completely empty, and red could now attack, threatening to win with the checkmate of r2 plus 3. Say the king moves out, black would deliver a check, and at this point it will not matter whether what black would do, he will lose his chariot. For example, if a5 plus 6 were played, check, and black will lose the chariot and the game. If k6 equals to 5 were played, again a check will be played, and again the black chariot is lost. So that is why once this position was reached, black would have a winning position. And the idea of setting up a roadblock is given over here because by playing p7 plus 1 according to the book, black would not be able to guard this rank in this manner. But it appears that black would have nothing to worry about and could have simply played could have simply captured the pawn, captured the red pawn, and he would still be able to guard against red's double horse checkmate. So I hope you enjoyed this week's short video tutorial. If you like the work that I've been doing, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.